look at that, guys. That's frustrating as fuck, that is. So something's been in, either trapped under the seat, or chewed it. It's like it's been chewed, to be fair. But that's it under the seat wiring. As you can see, it goes absolutely everything. Let's back it out a little bit so you can see it. So shot wires. So I've got a new loom. I'm just going to bang it in. We're not going to bother repairing all that, with it being airbag wires and stuff. Get back on there, look, with it being airbag wires and stuff like that. That's a mess, that, isn't it? Yeah, airbag wires, so I'm just going to pop a new loom on it. So here's the new one, all nice and boxed away. So all under here, all your sensors, your heat sensors, your seat sensors, and it goes round the back, up there to the side airbags and all that, and to obviously your seat belt. So this is going to be an interesting task today. But I'm just going to get unclipping, unplugging, and let's make it happen for this customer. We don't need airbag lights on, do we, guys? So yeah, I'll see you in a minute, and I'll let you know in stages just how I'm getting on. So just a quick little update. So I've done the bottom seat. That's the new loom, and that's just waiting to go on the side trim. So new loom in the bottom. Now that's the old loom. So you've got to strip the leather off the seat, right back, and then you've got to peel the foam back, and that gets you to sort of where the loom enters the seat there. And then of course you've got your seat massager pump, that's got to be unplugged there. And if you've never seen a seat massager, guys, there's the pump block. See all your little wires to all your little pads that are on the other side. Just here, look, they inflate and deflate as the program suggests. And then I can just pull that out now, like so, and then whack the new loom in, get the seat built back up. So as you can see, I have stripped the leather back, a lot of trims off there. Everything's protected, by the way. So I'll get this wiring loom up, a little bit of an update there, and then I'll show you it all built up. So there we are, look, we're all back together. She's the seat again, all trims on, all handles back on, and the new wiring loom replaced. Now what you got to do, guys, for these seat covers is you've got to cut these little rings off. So that's obviously part of the one I've cut off, and that's a new one. And this tool is fantastic. I wonder if I can get a number off it. Of course I can, let's go. So it is the VAG 1634, and this tool holds is what we call a hog ring, or a clip, holds it in place, so you can just get it in where it needs to be, because you've kind of got to go in an angle and just squeeze it. It's in rails, holds the seat cover down to the actual base. And then literally in, squeeze, done. Do that for the rest of them, and you end up with a nice seat. So I'm going to give this seat a little bit of a tart up, make sure she's all nice and squeaky clean before I bolt it back in the car, clear the airbag fault, road test, and she's a golden one, so everything works. We're happy as Larry. So there you go, guys, and here's the old loom. So that's what it looks like. It's in its entirety. Gonski. So new loom in, and there's the last little bit you can see. So guys, there we go. That's one little seat job done. One day I'll be able to actually get to be able to film the whole job, because I know you guys would like to see the process. But other than that, seat's going back in the car now. Let's go.